In this video, I'll show you how to make your TikTok account private. This will help you keep your account and content safe from unwanted viewers. After watching this video, you'll know exactly how to change your privacy settings so that only people you approve can see your account and videos. First of all, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your TikTok profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, tap on the second option, Privacy. And now you'll see that the very first option is Private Account, so in order to make your TikTok account private, simply toggle this on. And now, when you go back to your profile, you will see that it has been successfully changed to a private account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.